Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing the part 4. I had already discussed up to part 3. Please check the playlist. So let us see whatever the questions have been given. These are the previous year questions whichever asked in GD, tradesman, technical as well as nursing assistant. Few GK and GS questions have been noted down. Let us see what exactly it has been given in the slides. Ashwini Ponnappa is related to which game? We knew that badminton players, that is Saina Nehwal, Sindhu, as well as Ashwini Ponnappa, Pullela Gopichand, they all belongs to the badminton. And we knew that in this badminton we use cock instead of ball. The call that is Dilli Chalo, and we should remember that Jai Hind as well as give me your blood and I'll give you freedom. This slogan has been given by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He is the one who has given the name to the Mahatma Gandhi as a Mahatma, as a father of nation. And I want you guys to comment me who has given Mahatma for the Gandhiji. The country which is known as the land of midnight sun. You can see in the Norway during the midnight we can see the sun, and I want you guys to tell me which is known as land of rising sun. Next we have Adhai Din Ka Jhopda. It is located in Ajmer. It was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Please remember Qutbuddin Aibak had also built the famous monument which is located in Delhi, that is Qutub Minar. Now we have the Maithili. It is Tirutha script that is used in the language, that is Maithili language. In this Maithili language we use Tirutha script. If I say Devanagari script, what we use in our Hindi language. So we have the script that is in Sikh, that is Gurumukhi script. I want you guys to comment me in the section what exactly the name of the script which is used by the Muslims. Now we have the bullet fired from the rifle. It has got the velocity, so it has got the kinetic energy. If I say the loaded gun, that is something potential energy which has got. So remember that kinetic energy has got velocity. In the case of stored water tank, it has got the magnetic, that is height, that is mgh, potential energy. We should remember that vulcanization of rubber. In this process we use sulfur. This process has been invented by Charles Goodyear. He is the guy in 1839. He had found vulcanization of rubber by using the sulfur. And please remember the botanical name of different things. The botanical name of tea, that is Camellia sinensis, is the species of evergreen shrubs of small trees in the flowering plant family. As you can see, this is the leaf buds are produced to tea. So this is the botanical name of tea. So maximum questions related to botanical name also they are asking. So please go through whatever the questions have been given. Now we have something instrument. So the instrument is used to measure the concentration of salt water. So please remember whatever the salt water concentration can be measured by the salinometer, and it is used to measure the salinity or dissolved salt content of a solution. If I say lactobacillus, that is bacterium in milk, and the purity of milk can be easily measured by the lactometer. Here we have the greenhouse effect, that is mainly due to the increase in the atmospheric, that is carbon dioxide. By increasing this carbon dioxide, the greenhouse effect will cause, because of this maximum expansion of the growth of carbon dioxide. And the poisonous gas is what? That is carbon monoxide. And we exhale, we take out the carbon dioxide. Even the plants intake, and during the night times they exhale the carbon dioxide. Now we have the inverter. Inverter is a device that converts DC electricity from the sources such as batteries or fuel cells to alternate current electricity. So please remember, we use batteries. In this batteries we have direct current through alternate current. But in this case the inverter what exactly do? The same direct current will directly convert. In our house we have inverters in which we have the direct current. We use it as a alternate current for the domestic purpose. Now they are asking the common name of potassium carbonate. So potassium, that is K, carbonate CO3. The KCO3 is also known as potash. If I say sodium chloride, that is a salt, rock salt. Now we have a temperature of 295 Kelvin is equal to, that is 71.33 Fahrenheit. Remember that we know the formula C minus 0 by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180. As usual, K minus 273 divided by, here we have, that is 100. So as usual, we compare it, we can make out 295 degree Kelvin is equal to 71.33 Fahrenheit. Here the range of Agni missile has been asked. Agni 6 they have given. So Agni 6 has got the range of 11,000 kilometers to 12,000 kilometers. In which of the following regions Mahalwari system of 257 revenue settlement was introduced? Very important. Northwest provinces. Please remember, we have northwest regions as well. We have united province, that is Uttar Pradesh. But in this case, Mahalwari system of 257. This is a one type of revenue settlement. It is introduced in the region of northwest provinces. So northeast, we knew, northwest is related to, we have in the area of northwest region of India. So now we have the question, the Mahalwari system, the settlement has been introduced by whom? I want you guys to comment me in the comment section. The revolver was invented by whom? We knew that the inventor of revolver is Samuel Colt. He had submitted a British patent for his revolver in the year 1835. An American patent number has been given, that is 138. Please remember. And in the year 1936, for a revolving gun has been given that patent number. So overall, Samuel Colt is the one who had found revolver. If I say Jailbird, he is the one who invented the television. I want you guys to tell me who invented the radio. Next we have, who among the following is considered as the father of artificial intelligence? Very important. One of the greatest innovators in the field was John McCarthy. He is the guy who had invented and who is also called as father of artificial intelligence. So he is widely recognized as the father of artificial intelligence due to his astounding contribution in the field of computer science as well as artificial intelligence. Very important, guys. Remember that. Now we have, what do you understand by aerodynamics? Aerodynamics is the way air moves around things. The rules of aerodynamics explain how an airplane is able to fly. Anything that moves through air reacts to aerodynamics. Aerodynamics even acts on cars. Since air flows around the cars, it is a scientific movement of flow or air or gas. We can see this kind of aerodynamics. We will find that is the reason why the cars have been made in such a manner it will not fly away. They can proceed with the speed of near about 350 to 400 kilometer per hour, but they have got something which is back and they made in such a manner that can go faster instead of flying away. They built in a aerodynamics manner. Even the flights also, they have the Bernoulli's principle and they whatever design in the aerodynamics manner. At high altitudes, nose bleeding occurs due to, we knew that whenever you go to the higher altitude places, the nose gets bleed. That is because of pressure inside body is greater than as compared to the atmospheric pressure. The more pressure in your body, that result to nose bleeding. So that is the reason we start getting blood from the nose. Now we have, which is the primary fuel? Natural gas, coal, biomass, flowering water, wind and solar radiation. Those are the fuels that can be mined, reaped, extracted, harvested or harnessed directly. So these are the important primary fuels in our natural life. So next we can see which among the following helps in circulation of blood. So that is lymphocytes. They helps in the coagulation and circulation of blood, and these lymphocytes is a type of white blood cells in the vertebrate immune system. The lymphatic system is an open system providing an accessory route for excess interstitial fluid to get returned to the blood. So very important, which helps in circulation of blood, that is lymphocytes. Which helps in the coagulation of blood, that is heparin. Vitamin K is the one which is more useful for the anticoagulant. So that is the reason why exactly we needed vitamin K, for which works as a anticoagulant. Now one thing you have to remember, photosynthesis, this occurs maximum when we have the red light, because the light is absorbed by photosystem, that is membrane bound, it absorbs infrared and red light. On the other hand, blue light is absorbed by the chlorophyll and carotenoids, but some carotenoids are not found in chloroplasts. Very important. So these carotenoids and carotenes will find in respective plants, and we have the chlorophyll in plants, and in that we have magnesium as well. And this photosynthesis is very much and maximum we can see in the red color of light. And I want you guys to comment me in the section, what is the process we take from the solar energy to directly it converts into fruit. Fruit is what? Chemical energy. It is one example of photosynthesis, is an example of process of conversion of energy from solar energy to chemical energy. Very important. Now we have the botany. So this is one thing, as a branch of biology, botany sometimes is referred as a plant science or plant biology. So botany is related to what? That is related to plant biology. Botany includes a wide range of scientific sub-disciplines that study the structure and growth and reproduction, metabolism, development, diseases, ecology and evolution of plants, what we exactly see in botany. I want you guys to tell me in the comment section. Normally we knew that light year, which is used for the measuring of terrestrial distances, and it is the one which is used for the measuring of distances, not the time. We have the parsec, parallactic second, and we have the astronomical unit. So this is one thing you have to remember. I want you guys to comment me what exactly the distance traveled by a light in the light year. So you guys can comment me in the section. So next we have the molecular formula of cane sugar. So as you can see to the down, C12H22O11 is the molecular formula for the cane sugar. It is sucrose is common sugar. It is a disaccharide, a molecule composed of two monosaccharides, that is glucose and fructose. These are the monosaccharides, and sucrose is produced naturally in plants, from which table sugar is obtained. So very important, table sugar is obtained from what? That is from sucrose. So the molecular formula is C12H22O11. Now this is one thing you have to remember, Thodas and Zawadi, these are the tribes. You have to go through the tribes also. Thodas and Zawadi, these tribes we will find in Tamil Nadu. And the district is on the international border of India. They are asking these kind of questions, which district is located on the which border? That is Karimganj. So Karimganj is a district which is located on the international border of India. Who founded Servants of Indian Society? So in 1905, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who is a political guru of Mahatma Gandhi, he had formed Servants of Indian Society, and he is considered as the leader of the moderate faction. And next we have which religion? Dilwara temples, which is located in Rajasthan, Mount Abu. Their religion is Jainism. So that is the reason we call Dilwara Jain temple. Now we have joint stream of Ganga and Brahmaputra, which is known by Meghna. Very important. These kind of joint stream are also they are asking. Please go through whatever the joint stream we have. Ganga and Brahmaputra joint streams is known by Meghna, is one of the three important rivers in Bangladesh that together form Ganga Delta, which is the largest delta of the world. Now we have the soil erosion, which is caused due to the overgrazing, rapid urbanization like cities making and all, and cutting of trees. This is the main reason why we are getting soil erosion. Now we have CBFC, Central Board of Film Certification. This comes under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting of Government of India. Very important. Now we have to remember that who had established the four mathas. So this is one thing. Mathas also known as monastic seats in the four corners of India, that is established by Shankaracharya. Very important person. Who is known as the father of Green Revolution? So Norman Borlaug is the guy who is known as father of Green Revolution in the world. If I say in India, that is MS Swaminathan. Now we have the first emperor of France. Napoleon I was the first emperor of France, and he is also known as Napoleon Bonaparte. Very important. He belongs to France and he was the first emperor, and he is also known as Napoleon Bonaparte, Napoleon I. Now something Paradeep Kumar Banerjee. He is associated with the which sports? He is a guy, he is a professional footballer. Recently he got died. So go through whatever the obituaries they are being asked. Very important. You are being asked these kind of questions. You have to be ready in all aspects. What is the full form of LOC? That is line of control. So this is a military control line between India and Pakistan that controlled parts of the former princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. So we knew that line of control, it is bifurcated between India and Pakistan. Even 24th parallel line exists between India and Pakistan. So McMahon, that is between India and China. Durand line, India and Afghanistan. So these are the lines you have to remember. And I want you guys to comment me what exactly the line between India and Bangladesh. Now we have the largest producer of black pepper in India. So we knew that Assam is famous for tea, rubber maximum we can see in Kerala. Now we have that is black pepper. The Karnataka has overtaken the Kerala because of major fire in the spice garden of India, that is Malabar coast. So here the pepper is accounting for 45% of total population, that is Karnataka. The person who has written Wings of Fire as well as Ignited Minds, this has been written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. These books have been authored. Now we have among the following materials, sound travels fastest in steel. We knew that sound travels fastest in solids, that is steel is the fast traveling medium. The botanical name of tea has been asked, Camellia sinensis. Now that is one thing you have to remember. Tooth decay starts when potential of hydrogen is lower than the potential of hydrogen is below 5.5, then automatically our tooth gets decayed. So please go through whatever has been given. Now we have the vulcanization process. This has been invented by Charles Goodyear in 1839. Inverter which helps in conversion of DC to AC. Temperature 295 is equal to 71.33. Common name of potassium carbonate, that is potash. Dactylography is the study of fingerprints. I am asking the one which is, you have to remember the study of this annual rings of tree. What exactly we call them as? I want you guys to comment me in the section. Now we have the instrument which is used to measure the concentration of salinometer is the one for the measuring of salt water. Now we have the lenses that is made of flint glass. It's a highly refractive lead containing glass used to make lenses as well as prisms, that is flint glass, because it absorbs most ultraviolet light but comparatively little visible light. Is also used in telescope lens. So remember to make telescopic lenses as well as the lenses which are used in prisms and lenses, they are the one which are very important for a manufacture of these lenses. Thank you guys. I hope whatever the questions have been discussed, they are useful for you. If you have any queries, you can comment me in the section. Have a good day. Have a great life.